what compelled you to get into this and start InsightWorks?
Oh, well, that's an interesting question. Well, for me anyway. But you know, we started this, in about 2008, 2009, actually as a VAR, an implementation practice, implementing back then NAV and subsequently Business Central. But as we're getting into it, we realized, there's a lot of gaps within Business Central and NAV. I mean, great products, but they're not the best of breed for manufacturing and distribution. So as we're understanding where the productivity gaps are when using the standard product, we started building out solutions to fill those gaps, improve productivity, all those sorts of things. And as that evolved, we grew more into this ISV that we're now just solving those problems with our applications, our solutions, versus actually implementing Business Central and NAV. So we work through our resellers, such as myself, to go out and implement the broad solution, and we come in and fix those specific areas that we call it the golden toothpick. They're almost a thin sliver of functionality, but they're really, really important to be able to get the most value out of your investment in the ERP system.